In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Zoho CRM email properly. We'll walk through each step meticulously, ensuring that you have a clear and smooth experience setting up your email within Zoho CRM. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on the main homepage, the next step is to navigate to the Setup area. This can be done by clicking on the Setup icon, which is usually represented by a wrench or gear symbol often located at the top of your page. This icon takes you to the configuration section where you will handle all your account settings. As you find yourself in the Setup section, the next objective is to locate the email settings. Typically, you'll find this option listed under a category such as Channels or Communications. Once located, go ahead and click on Email to access the relevant configurations for your email settings. In the email configuration area, you need to find the option that allows you to configure your email. This option might be labeled clearly as Email Configuration or something similar. Click on this to move forward in the setup process. Now that you're in this section, you'll want to seek out the Get Started button. This button is designed to guide you from the outset of the configuration process, providing a step-by-step approach to setting up your email preferences correctly. Go ahead and click on Get Started. After this, you'll select Zoho Mail as your email provider. Selecting Zoho Mail ensures that all emails you handle through the CRM are seamlessly integrated, harnessing the full power of Zoho's suite of tools. Click on Zoho Mail to proceed. Now comes the part where you personalize your email settings. You'll be prompted to enter your display name, the email address you plan to use, and your password. Be sure to double-check these credentials for accuracy, as this will ensure smooth function down the line. Once you have entered these details correctly, the final step is to click on Configure. This action will finalize the setup process, allowing Zoho CRM to connect with your email, enabling seamless communication and better management of your customer interactions. And there you have it. By following these carefully laid out steps, you've successfully configured your Zoho CRM email settings. If everything was done correctly, you should now be ready to send and receive emails directly from your Zoho CRM, making your workflow more efficient and streamlined. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.